Oh my goodness.
Okay, are you going to tell me when you're videoing? Because I'm scared.
Oh, I am.
Okay.
Toes down and knees up.
This is my instructor.
At the same
Toes
time.
down, knees up.
Same time. There you go.
It was very deliberate.
Yeah.
Now I can stand up.
Yep. Every time you get to where you're going, do a little bounce until you hear them teeth.
Do a
crack.
little bounce.
There you go. Until the
Make a
teeth
little
dig
love.
in. A punch.
A bunch.
He's teaching me how I'm taking, what's it called?
Tree climbing 101.
Tree Climbing 101 college course right now. He's a professor. He's done this for years, as you can tell.
Oak tree's kind of scary.
Because the pine tree's not scary at all, huh?
Well, it has teeth that you hear them digging in. You
Oh, I
don't
need
dig
that
into the oak tree. Come here, Pearl. She's not doing too good, baby. Get out of there.
I'm ready for her to sit down because that doesn't look like an sittable.
That's the scariest part is turning around and getting a sitting position.
Okay, I'm going to do one more. You got to use your abs.
Yeah, you got to go up as high as I did.
Where were you? I feel like I'm
No,
higher.
you can see the marks. They're about a foot above your head.
No, I'm good.
Maybe we should have got her to paint the belly before we did this.
That's what I was
I
going
can't
to
do
say.
that happening to her. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Just if you don't want to go no higher, leave that there and pull your bottom up some more. Nah, leave that there
Don't
and
be
pull
so-
your feet up some more.
Don't say no. What do you mean?
There you go. Now pull your feet up, or you ain't gonna be able to reach it with your feet when you sit down. Much higher.
I can't get it up any higher. I'm already like in a squat.
I got it up a lot higher than that.
By the way, this man is my lifelong best friend's husband.
Huh?
Meet John Riles and Pearl the dog.
Whoa!
Don't take the weight off of them straps. All right, if you can't go up any higher, stand back up with your weight on your feet, and bring your top down a little bit.
I think I have a little bit of a height thing.
Yeah,
Bring
you're
my
almost
top-
you're
bring my
almost 5 foot off the ground.
Bring my top what?
Sherry fell that high off the bed the other day.
You want this to go down?
Yeah, because you're gonna turn around and sit down. You need your feet to be able to reach. There you go.
I don't think you can.
That'll work. All right, now put your butt all the way out there and sit on it. No, don't push on it. No, on top. A little bit more. There you go. All right, now give a couple bounces. All right, you're good. All right, now take your feet out of the stirrups and go to the outside of the foot
I
platform
think I'm sweating.
and put weight on it and cinch it into the tree. Pearl can't say she can't bear to watch.
Okay.
Turn around.
This?
Yep. No, there you go. Put it down.
Is this the back?
Yep.
Holy shiitake balls right now. I want you to know this. All right.
The straps are good. There you go. Straps underneath the seat.
Something's not hooked over here.
No, you don't need a hook. Unless you're going to stay up there a long time. Okay, your straps are kind of crisscross. Fix
Yeah,
your straps.
they're messed up. Can I
Fix
just
'em.
sit on them?
No, fix them. You can let go.
Sweating.
There you go. All right, there you go. Now turn around and sit down. Don't take any weight off of the outside edge. There you go.
What outside edge?
Where your hand is, where your left hand is. There you go.
Can you just come get me?
You're good.
Woohoo!
You did it!
And this is where you said you called the fire. That's what smells good.
Your hand.
I think it's the soap from the gas station. I really don't. I do want a ladder. Can I get one?
Yeah.
Is the
over
coming?
there.
Did you do this? Is the coming down hard?
All right, he's rested now. He's gonna come down. This is the coming down.
Don't worry about that. They're gonna just hang.
Just let him.
Put your heels back in front of the bungee cords and your toes in the stirrups. And if you're a religious person, right now is when I start praying.
Really? God. So this part's hard. See, I just don't feel like, okay, whatever. Okay.
right.
Is someone in distress next door?
It's his TV.
I'll stay here if y'all want to call the police.
Sounds horrible.
I'm gonna be like.
When you take your butt up, your weight is still on it. Never touch nothing close to the tree.
All right, so I'm going to take my butt up.
Yep. Stand straight up.
Bless America. Okay. I'm not standing straight up. If I stand straight up, my arms are already straight.
Put them where I told you to put them, back up there. There you go.
But I feel like if I stand straight up, my weight. Okay.
You never
Now
told me
what?
she could sing.
Now what?
Lift your feet, and
Yep.
you got to move it down.
Bend your knees, point your toes, and then go down 6 inches.
Well, then I have to.
No, no, you don't.
hang.
No, you don't. I mean, you
can't-
can if you want to, but you're gonna have to bring your top lower. No, not like that. If it works, I guess.
Ah!
You're taking weight off of that top. Don't do that. You can put your butt. Stand back up. You're fixing to come down. Stand back up.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, I got my own ideas.
Go get the BB gun. No, you're okay. You started taking weight off of that top.
You
Did
just be quiet.
Okay. If it just don't go well, can I have her chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be jumping myself. Is this right?
Yeah, but bring
Sit
your
your-
put
sit
your
your
hands
butt-
back where I told you to. You're taking weight off of there.
But I have to hang. I'm not taking weight. Trust me.
Okay. Whenever you bend your knees, point your toes down. There you go.
Oh, that!
There you go.
I was so not doing that.
That's perfect.
My toes were staying up to God. I don't even feel close to the ground. I'm still stuck like in.
Yeah,
fright
you're
mode. Okay,
you're
I'm
not
done.
real close. You're still a good 18 inches.
I'm done. Woo, that was a lot of fun.
No, whoa, I was joking. You got a big step there.
No,
You're
I
gonna
can do the step.
okay. Don't take the weight off the top. It'll bop you on the head.
This?
Move your hang out. There you go. Perfect. Don't put your hand back there. Ta-da.
And there was no way I could go higher. And I know it looks like I wasn't very high, but I felt so scared, like I was so high. It's the weirdest thing. Anyway, I'm glad I did it, and it always feels really good to push past your fears and do something. That was just a really strange thing to try, but I had a great time.